Hello class, this video is going to focus on subtracting integers. So the key thing with subtracting integers is you always want to change it to addition. So we call that adding the opposite. So the first step is keep the first number the same. And then next we're going to change the subtraction sign to an addition sign. Step 3, change the second digit to its opposite. So that means if it is addition, it's going to change to a negative, and if it is a negative, it's going to change to a positive. And then step 4, we want to follow the addition rule. So in the last video, we did the addition rule. So once we change it to addition, then it works just like that. Now, sometimes you have more than two integers that need to be subtracted, and it's going to work exactly the same as addition. So you're going to move from left to right. And then you're going to add the opposite and then solve using the addition rules for integers. So let's try a couple of examples. So the first one, we've got 9 minus 11. So the first thing we want to do is change so we keep the first number the same, change the subtraction sign to a plus sign, and make 11 negative, since it's currently positive. So then we're going to use our addition rules. So the bigger number is 11, and that is negative, which means our answer is going to be negative. And then we're going to subtract. 11 minus 9 is 2, and then it's going to be negative since 11 is bigger than 9, and it's negative. Number 2, so keep the first number the same, so 28 stays the same, and then our subtraction sign changes to addition, and then this negative, we got to change to the opposite, which is also addition. So some people may say keep it, so keep the first number, change the middle, and change the third. So now we have 28 plus 15. Both are the same sign. Both are positive. So our answer will be positive. So 28 plus 15 is going to give me 43. And it's positive because we keep the sign positive. Okay, number 3. We're going to start off with our first two. So we have negative 8, which we keep. Change the subtraction to addition. Change the negative to a positive. So we have 8 negative 8 plus 12. They're different signs, so I'm going to keep the sign of the larger number, which is 12, and that is positive. So my answer for this part will be positive. And then I subtract. 12 minus 8 is 4. Okay, now we're going to bring this down. And before I bring it down, I'm going to actually change it up here. So this becomes plus, and then 31 becomes negative. So I've got negative, oops, sorry, not negative. I've got 4 plus negative 31. So the bigger number is 31, which means our answer will be negative since it's negative. And then we're going to subtract 31 minus 4, and that is 27. And since 31 is negative and it's bigger, it's going to be a negative answer. And then number 4, we're going to start off with negative 6 minus 5. So keep negative 6, change the minus to addition, and change the 5 to negative 5. And then these are the same sign. They're both negative, so that means my answer for this part will be negative. So I'm going to add them together. 6 plus 5 is 11, and it's going to be negative. And then I'm going to bring down this part, but I'm going to change it first. So I have plus, plus. So I have negative 11 plus 7. And again, these are different signs. Negative 11, the 11 is bigger than 7. So my answer will be negative. And then I'm going to subtract 11 minus 7. And that's going to give me 4. And my answer is negative. So I have negative 4 for my answer. Okay, so that is it for this video. Remember, you must get a 75% or above on the quiz for this video in order to move on to your practice. Otherwise, you need to redo the video.